This is a review of the VPN Proxy Master. So this is a free VPN you can find on Google Play Store if you're an Android user. I don't know for iOS, but then it's free to connect. They have some premium aspects as well, which I'm going to walk you guys through the app, how to use it and everything. So now let's start. So you can see this, the interface here. When you create your account, when you download it, you just have to skip everything and then hop on a page like this. Good. So to connect, you just tap on connect here to start connecting. That's how it works for every VPN. So I just need to tap on the OK, and then I just accept and turn on the VPN. Good. So just like they are saying, the authorization, yeah, and then you can see fast service. That's when you can connect your service to as well. They have free ones and premium ones too as well. So the ones with this crown, see a lot of countries, they even have African countries available. Yeah, all these are premium, and they have some free ones too as well. So they have Netherlands, UK, United States, and France too. They have them for free. Good. And then the recommendation too, they have a couple ones too here too as well. So I think that's it. Very simple and easy interface. And also you can tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen here to move to the settings. So you can use it without even creating an account, but then you can proceed to create an account if you want to move to the pro version. And select server will take you to the same page here. Yeah, that's the locations you want to connect. If you want to contact them too, you just tap on the contact us. And since I don't have an account, it's going to be weird, but then you can send them an email straight, or you can live chat with them. It's going to be a bot, an AI, but then an email is you're going to get a real response from human. And settings, let's tap on the settings here. Good. And here you can see the protocols. These are some settings. If you are very much good with networking, I always say this here, you can glance through and do all these things here. This is more technical, so I'm not going to talk about it. And premium kill switch, Wi-Fi protection, smart DNS, all these things are covered. All these things are features available for premium users only. And split tunneling, you turn on VPN using some apps on your phone. You are going to select the apps and the rest. Yeah, so that's it on the VPN Master or VPN Proxy Master app. Very simple and easy. This is a free VPN and also have a premium version. If you want free VPNs, you can check my channel. I have a playlist on that. You can glance through and get yourself one. That's it for the video. Peace.